And our robots are off 23-37. Engineers quickly placing a cube on the scale for the Blue Alliance, but Ratchet Rockers not to be outdone, placing one, missing their second, but Engineers are trying for their third, and they have got it for the Blue Alliance. 1706, Ratchet Rockers only getting one of their 3 cube auto. Right now, each alliance has control of their switch, and Red Alliance is desperately trying to gain some early control of the scale for Red. Thunder Chickens missing their first cube, but we have the Beak Squad currently sitting at the number 4 position. They want to stay up in the top 8, placing cube after cube on the scale for Red. However, Blue Alliance also wants to move up in the rankings. Engineers have something to prove. They are quickly placing cube after cube on the scale for the Blue Alliance. All 6 of these robots are amazing scale bots, but sometimes they have to play some different roles here at IRI, roles that they wouldn't play at their home regionals or districts. Spectrum right now is playing a little bit of offense on the red side of the field, trying to gain control of the other alliance's switch, while on the blue side of the field, there is also a battle going on between the switches. Sometimes the switches don't get enough credit. The scale in the middle of the field is going back and forth between blue and red, but the switches are right now both in neutral. Neither alliance has control of either switch, but Ratchet Rockers has something to say about that, quickly placing a cube on the Blue Alliance's switch for the Red Alliance, gaining control for red. Thunder Chickens is trying to build on that momentum, tried to place a cube on top of the scale for red, but they missed. Their partners, Beak Squad, trying to maintain a little bit of momentum, and they've got one on the scale for red, tipping the scale back over to the red side. They're going to try to place another. 4265 is trying to do the same. It is now time for the end game. Right now, the Red Alliance has control of the Blue Alliance's switch and the scale. They're trying for their own switch. We have 4265 currently climbing for blue. 4028, the Beak Squad has their claw on the hook for red. We have 10 seconds left in the match and 2 attempted double climbs. Red has their double climb. Spectrum is trying to get it for the Blue Alliance. 3 seconds left. We'll see if they'll be able to eke it out in the last few seconds. And it looks like they were unable to. This could be a close match. We will see the scores in a moment. And we have a match result for qualification match number 98. Congratulations to the Red Alliance, putting up a score of 232 to 207. Beak Squad still sitting at that number 4 position. Their 2 partners moving up in rankings thanks to their 4 ranking points. Blue Alliance robots all moving down in the rankings. Great job to all of these incredible teams.